Hey everyone, remember that Lion slideshow tutorial video that I made? All the music in that was written by me, and I got a few comments about that asking where they could download it and such. Well, I ended up having a lot of fun with that and making an entire little album EP thing from it, which I've now released. You can download it here, it's on my Bandcamp. I haven't really advertised this much before, but it does exist. Since I'm pointing it out, you might also be interested in this little thing I wrote where I tried to sort of push the limits of what the SNES could do. It's a really short 2-track sort of thing, 2.5. Links to both of these are in the description. Of course, that also opens you up to my entire Bandcamp page, which the lower you go on the page, the worse the quality, so beware. If anything, I recommend looking at the mixes I've made, which is this section. And that's all for this video. Thanks for the support. See you next mix.